The Zafar Express hijack in Balochistan on Tuesday had outsparked horrors among everyone. The incident has once again brought the Baloch Liberation Army into the global spotlight, highlighting the group's growing insurgency and its tactics in Pakistan's Balochistan province. In this video, let's delve into the origins, motivations and impact of the Baloch Liberation Army, examining its historical context. The Baloch people are the ethnic group residing across Pakistan, Iran and Afghanistan. The arid mountainous terrain of Balochistan houses about 9 million people, divided into different tribes. The Baloch Liberation Army is a separatist militant organization that operates primarily in Pakistan's Balochistan province. The group advocates for an independent Balochistan. The Baloch Liberation Army emerged from long-standing Baloch grievances over political and economic marginalization. The discovery of natural resources, including gas, coal and minerals in the region further fueled discontent, as the Baloch people believe they have not received a fair share of these resources' benefits. The BLA formally launched its armed insurgency against Pakistan in 2004, demanding self-determination for the Baloch people and the separation of Balochistan from Pakistan. In response to its increasing militant activities, Pakistan and United Kingdom designated it a terrorist organization. The BLA's primary objective is to establish an independent Balochistan, free from Pakistani control. Baloch nationalists argue that the region has been denied political autonomy and self-governance. Despite its vast natural resources, Balochistan remains underdeveloped, with high poverty and unemployment rates. Baloch separatists accuse Islamabad of extracting wealth from the region while neglecting local communities. The BLA conducted numerous violent attacks from 2006 to 2025 in Balochistan and beyond, targeting security forces, officials and civilians through assassinations, kidnappings, bombing and infrastructure attacks. The BLA remains a significant separatist movement driven by historical grievances. Addressing root causes, political representation, economic equity and human rights is essential for resolving the conflict.